side, baby.
And I will never let you down. Even if we're going down. Hey, oh, never let go of me. When I'm sinking.
Loose lips sink ships, that's what someone told me. But this boat will stay afloat as long as you hold me. We've been through rough water, and at times it was tougher. But the fact I came back to remind you I love you. And if that's not enough, well, I can one-up you. I pinky promise, touch thumbs, I never make you suffer. And all I ask in return is some reciprocation. I'll be your oxygen when you're running out of patience. So take a deep breath and hold it tight. My heart is yours, just reassure me that you hold it right. Don't be offended, I'm just the cautious type to always be around to hold you down and never underlie.
Hey, oh, never let go of me.
Never let go.
Hold tight, it's gonna get hard to breathe.
Hold tight, baby, hold tight.
And I will never let you down. Even if we're going down. Hey, oh, never let go of me. When I'm sinking.
Let's go. In the bottle, I hope that you receive it. If it washes up at your feet, then open it and read it. To whom it may concern, insert your name here. It's destiny that we were both born in the same year. 3 months apart, but on the same sphere. Staring at the sun, inhaling the same air. This type of love we got, they'll never get it. I'll be the Leo DiCaprio to your Kate Winslet. Sometimes I panic, but I never take you for granted. I hold you till my lips turn blue like Jack and Titanic. And if I lose my grip, then just promise me this. You'll keep my love in the locket and always rock it like.
Hey, oh, never let go of me.
Never let go, never let go.
Hold tight, it's gonna get hard to breathe.
Hold tight, mama, hold tight.
And I will never let you drown. Even if we're going down. Hey, oh, never let go of me. When I'm sinking.
There's times when like you find it hard to hold on to something that was never meant to be held on to. So you let it go. If it comes back, it was meant to be. If not, just let it be.